If you see this type of message, EAC client cannot be instant, then in this tutorial I'll show you how you can solve this. So follow step by step process. First, restart your PC, restart your computer first. It might solve the issue right away. Step 2, run Steam as administrator. Right click on the Steam icon and choose run as administrator. Then try launching the game again. Step 3, verify game files. Open Steam, go to library and then right click Dead by Daylight, properties, and then click on installed files. Click verify integrity of game files. Let it complete. This will fix any broken or missing files. Step 4, repair easy anti-cheat. Go to this path. Run easy anti-cheat setup.exe. Select Dead by Daylight from the drop down and then click repair service. Step 5, disable background apps. Sometimes background apps like overlay or antivirus can interfere. Close apps like Discord overlay, MSI afterburner, or even temporarily disable antivirus and try again. So after following this step, you will be able to solve the issue. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.